What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Have Jailbreak Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I'm gonna show you an amazing tweak that you must download. This tweak will allow you to take control of your camera. It's a tweak that allows you to secretly take photos or videos, so you can discreetly take a photo or record a video from anywhere, even with your screen off. It's a powerful tweak that's designed to enhance your iPhone's capabilities by allowing seamless photo and video capture from any screen or app. With this tweak, there is no requirement to launch a specific app to initiate photo taking or video recording. Unlock unparalleled convenience and discretion with this innovative tweak. Just double tap the volume down button to capture a photo discreetly, with the camera app quietly running in the background, ensuring no sound alerts. Once you take a photo, a green dot light will appear for 2 seconds at the top of your screen. There is also an option to start recording sound and video with a quick double tap of the volume up button does the trick. When you record a video, a green dot will appear at the top of your screen so you can know that you are still recording. So now you can take a photo or record a video even if your screen is off or you play a game. So double tap the volume down button to take a photo as you see, and double tap the volume up button to record a video. This tweak comes with a number of customization options, and now I'm gonna show you how to download and get this tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Sileo or whatever you are using. I will open Sileo, go to the sources here and make sure to add this repo. Of course, you will find the source below the video. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for SneakyCam. And as you see, this is the tweak. SneakyCam tweak, as I said, designed to bypass the standard function of iOS camera. It allows you to seamless photo and video capture from any screen or app. With SneakyCam, there is no requirement to launch a specific app to initiate photo taking or video recording. With simple taps, you can capture a photo or record a video with ease. Just double tap the volume down button to capture a photo discreetly, with the camera app quietly running in the background, ensuring no sound alerts. To start recording sound and video, you can do this by quick tap the volume up button. It's a powerful tweak designed to enhance your iPhone by allowing seamless photo and video capture from anywhere. Okay, now just go ahead and install it. Hit install, press here, now hit confirm. I've already installed it. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you are going to do here is, of course, enable the tweak from here. Okay, so this is the tweak. It has some options to customize. I'm going to quickly explain all these options. So the first option here is to enable the tweak for photos and videos. So if you want to use it only for capture photos, just enable photos option only. Here you can enable status bar indicators. This will show a green dot at the top of your screen whenever you take a photo or record a video. I recommend you to enable this option. To make SneakyCam less visible for third party, you can disable it. Here you can enable save to camera path. I recommend you to disable it so you can save it directly to Photos app. Here you can choose which camera you want to use. You can switch between rear and front camera. Here you can choose the video quality. You can select all the available camera options for your device. Here you can choose the frame rate. You can choose up to 240 frames per second. Here you can disable the tweak during audio and video playback. So for example, if you are listening to music or watching a video, the tweak will not work. This will allow you to increase or decrease volume instead of taking a photo or a video. Here you can enable use volume buttons. If you enable this option, you can double tap the volume up button to start and stop video, and double tap volume down button to capture a photo. Here below you can change status bar indicator offset X and status bar indicator offset Y. In preference cell disguise, you can change custom cell label if you want. You can use custom name, so I will type my name. Here, if you want, you can use custom cell image. You can select any image from your photo library. It's the icon appearing in the settings app. And this is all the settings that we have. So how to use it? It's simple, as I said. Just double tap the volume up button to start recording the video. Double tap again to stop recording. And double tap the volume down button to take a photo. And that's it. So this is the tweak. SneakyCam tweak is a powerful tweak that that gives users a new way to take photos and record a video without opening the real camera or any app. SneakyCam features are exclusively designed to work on any device running iOS 9 and up, offering a seamless and improved user experience. The tweak makes it super easy and useful to take photos and videos even if the screen is off. Please guys, use the tweak for good actions and don't use it to spy on people or other things. It's a lifesaver tweak and it's a beautiful tweak that I recommend you to give it a try. The repo is in the description below this video. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak tweaks videos, and peace.